Black holes are the abysses of space-time, devouring everything in their path. White holes are the fountains of space-time, repelling all that draws near. General relativity first predicted these two cosmic extremes, but the most mind-bending gift Einstein left humanity is actually a third. When the singularities of a black hole and a white hole connect across higher dimensional space, a counterintuitive space-time tunnel is born. This is a wormhole, known formally as the Einstein-Rosen bridge. Remember, it doesn't make you fly faster, it makes the universe smaller. Across the vast expanse of the cosmos, even the speed of light, nature's ultimate speed limit, creeps slower than a snail when faced with distances spanning 93 billion light-years. But wormholes rewrite the cosmic rulebook. Gravity is inherently a force of inward collapse, so the moment a wormhole tears open, its immense gravitational pull pinches shut its throat in an instant. Any spacecraft brave enough to attempt a crossing would be crushed to oblivion by the collapsing fabric of space. To traverse a wormhole, we need a substance that exists only in the realm of theory, a ghostly material called exotic matter. It possesses negative energy and negative mass. While ordinary matter generates attractive gravity, exotic matter produces a repulsive anti-gravity force. Only by using this anti-gravity as a cosmic scaffold to counterbalance the inward pull of the wormhole with outward repulsion do we stand even the slimmest chance of making a successful journey. If that isn't mind-blowing enough, the next implication will stretch the limits of your understanding. Because space and time are inextricably linked as a single entity, space-time. When you fold space, you very well might fold time too. This means that through a wormhole, you could not only voyage to the farthest edges of the universe, you might even travel back in time. That prospect gives rise to the terrifying grandfather paradox. Perhaps wormholes were never meant for travel at all. They may be a cosmic no-fly zone, sealed tight by the universe to safeguard the sanctity of causality. Despite the seemingly insurmountable odds, wormholes remain humanity's only hope for wandering among the stars.